Hey, welcome to another episode of GeekOutdoors.com. So whenever people think about the word job, they normally think of a lot of bad things, and if anything, most people are trying to get out of it. But there are many benefits to having a job, and so today I'm going to be talking about the top 5 best things about having a job, starting with the very first and obvious reason is consistent income. Now, if you've ever tried to do anything entrepreneurial, start your own business, you'll notice right away that your money is not consistent. And as a matter of fact, there's no guarantees of your money when it's coming in and where it's coming in from, versus a job where you know that you're going to get paid. You know, you put in a certain amount of time and you're going to get paid. So that is a huge difference, especially if there are people depending on that income, such as your family or your children. And so number 4 is something that is often overlooked, and that is health benefits, taxes, accounting, and retirement. So all of those things in a job are normally already taken care of by the companies. Now, whenever you have to do this on your own, it could be extremely stressful, especially when it comes to taxes, because if those things are not taken care of, then once again, that is a big problem. And also, if you have people who depend on your health benefits, that is another huge stress point. So number 3 is learning to work in a business. And so if you are the type of person who is thinking about starting your own business, when you are inside a job, you actually see how things work. And so whenever you are in the job situation, you can actually learn the different business systems that they're using to run their business. And you can apply that to your own business whenever you decide to start on your own. So number 2 is you're learning how to work with people. This is probably one of the biggest things that is valuable in any environment. And whenever you are in a job, in a lot of ways, you are forced to work with people. So some people are great to work with, some people aren't great to work with. And by being in those type of environments, you learn how to deal with different types of people. And so that is a very valuable skill in pretty much any place in your life. So what is the number 1 best thing about working in a job? Well, in my opinion, it is learning skills while getting paid. And so if you look at it that way, where you're building real world skills, real world experience, and you're getting paid to do it, just think about them paying you for going to school. And it's the best school because it's real world experience. Okay, and so that is the number 1 best thing about having a job. And if you look at all those 5 things, you could probably see why a lot of people stay in a job. And so I would say if you are in that situation, take advantage of it. You know, take advantage of all that your job has to offer, and then you can start working on your more entrepreneurial side and build that up, or even have both. And so that is it. If you had any thoughts about anything I talked about today, whether you are in that situation of having a job, whether you're thinking about doing something entrepreneurial, or maybe you're doing both, be sure to leave that in the comments area below. So as always, if you did get value out of these videos, be sure to share, like, and subscribe. Hey geeks, if you are a creative geek like me and you wanted to learn how to create content on YouTube and other places on the internet, then check out my Gold Content Creators group, where you'll get access to 30 videos plus additional content for all the creative geeks out there. And the best part of it is, all of this is free. Simply head over to the link below, check out my page, and sign up for my Gold Content Creators group. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks for checking out this episode. And as always, if you like these videos, be sure to click on the subscribe button. And for full written content, audio content, and additional geek stuff, head over to GeekOutdoors.com, and I'll see you outdoors on the very next episode.